Hey guys, I just made you a full guide on how to transfer crypto from Coinbase to Blofin. This is going to be step by step. Now first you need to log into your Blofin account. You can do this on the app or the Blofin website. Just log in using your registered email or phone number. And once you're logged in, go to the assets or wallet section. And here we're going to be choosing the crypto you want to receive. So just tap on deposit inside the wallet tab. And you just search and select the cryptocurrency you want to transfer. For example, Bitcoin, Ethereum, USDT, whatever it is. Just choose the correct network, of course, ERC20, TRC20, depending on what Coinbase supports, and the cryptocurrency you have chosen as well. Just match everything, copy your deposit address, and make a note of any memo or tag if required. Okay? If required, guys, make sure you take note of it or your money could be lost, please. Then you just open the Coinbase app or website. Just log in, tap on assets, and then just choose the crypto you want to send. So you go ahead and tap send to begin the process. And then you just need to paste the Blofin address in Coinbase and the recipient field. And if this is required, just enter the memo or tag exactly as shown, the amount you want to send, and review all the details before you confirm. Then you can go ahead and confirm your transaction. You can approve it using a two-factor authentication on your authenticator method. And the crypto will be sent to your Blofin wallet, and it will show up once it's confirmed to the blockchain. It's really that easy and simple. And if you found this helpful, smash that like button and subscribe to frequently asked questions.